welcome to Get Planting, and today I'm going to be talking about the Venus flytrap, also known as Dionaea, and it is the most incredible plant to grow. It has these leaves that have these like clasps almost, so it's a carnivorous plant, and when an insect goes into the pad of the leaf, it has these trigger hairs and it will snap shut and then eat that insect, and that's how the plant gets its food source. So it's quite an incredible plant for you to grow at home as a house plant, and it's particularly interesting with little children to show them how this plant works in its habitat, say in the wild. And it can go through a dormant phase, so in the winter time between November and February it might die back slightly, and at this point it likes to go into a cooler position in your home. But typically it likes to grow on a windowsill where it's light and bright, and then to water it you want to be using rainwater, which you can collect outside in a bucket. It's also sometimes a good idea to put a saucer underneath the plant, and this will keep it nice and moist, so don't let it dry out. It is such an amazing cool plant that I'm going to show you now with a pencil. Now you shouldn't do this too much as it can stress the plant, but I'm just going to put a little pencil stroke there and you see it closed up, which is amazing for this Venus flytrap. But they're really good fun, small houseplants, you don't need much space for them, and really interesting and a great talking point to show your friends when they come to your home. So I would highly recommend this houseplant. Now if you've enjoyed this garden content, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.